This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects on the Tor web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Tor here. I have the Tor web browser opened up now. To enable or disable pop-ups and redirects, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. And then scroll down just a little ways. And right down here in the Permissions section, right down here, pop-ups and third-party redirects. If you want to disable it, you want to make sure this box is checked like you see mine is. To enable it, you would just simply uncheck this. That enables pop-ups and redirects, and to disable it, you just check the box. That is how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects on the Tor web browser. Thanks for watching.